Welcome to this Q&A with the ECA. Today's question is, in a data installation, what regulations apply apart from BS7671? Shahid Khan, Technical Manager from the ECA, is going to help us with this one. Over to you, Shahid.
Thanks, Joe. BS7671 is just one tool in the toolbox when it comes to standards. There are a number of other standards that may be useful when it comes to data installations. For instance, BS7701, which is a telecom standard, it covers equipment, cabling, specification, operations and maintenance. There's also BSEN 50174, which is an IT or information technology cabling standard. It's a series of documents. A useful list of a whole raft of standards can be found in Appendix 1 of BS7671.
Really interesting stuff that, Shahid. Thanks for covering that for us. It's easy to get so focused on BS7671 that we forget about all the other standards. If you've got any pressing technical questions, then please either comment below or get in touch with us through our usual social media platforms. Thank you very much for watching.